There we go. The world's tallest SLC. 167 feet. Couldn't get a front seat, unfortunately. And it does seem absolutely massive when you're going up. It's huge. Beautiful day today. It's a great day for the POVs. As we make the climb to the top, we are at the top now. It's time to have a look around, soak it all up. Here we go. Oh, it looks fantastic. Here we go. Woohoo! Whoa, overall. Here we go. This really feels smooth. It's really strange. It's so quiet as well. Wow, straight into this. Another inversion. Here we go, round we go. That was really impressive. That is how an SLC should feel. Really, really enjoyable. You can see over there is a tent, which is the Circus of Screams, which is just over there. Make it out. What a lot of fun. And that is Odyssey.